टिकट खरीद के बैठ जा सीट पे, निकल न जाए कहीं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस। चेन्नई चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, चेन्नई
Such a pleasure to have you on our station. Thank you so much.
No, thank you for doing this.
Get on the train, baby. Get on the train, baby.
A lot of people are going to be envious of me right now because I am sitting with the superstars from the film industry, the very gorgeous, the very talented Deepika Padukone, and yes, everyone's favorite Shah Rukh Khan. Woohoo! All right, Deepika, I mean, I have actually watched a lot of your interviews where you're saying that, after Om Shanti Om, you feel more confident and more comfortable with Shah Rukh Khan being around. What are the 2-3 things that you could not tell him while making Om Shanti Om but are very comfortable telling him now? So what exactly do you mean, when you say that I'm very comfortable?
I'm taking this very personally that she's become comfortable with me and has no respect yet. She's an extremely disrespectful lady, and she's not been. You only told me I have to say bad things about you now, and she's. I don't like her at all, and her dimples suck.
Okay, time for you to return the compliment, Deepika.
He has a very big nose. I can't look beyond.
Okay. And yes, you're getting there.
Yeah, this
Come
is
on.
really the first time she said that.
Yeah,
to
the
me.
claws.
Yeah.
The claws are coming out.
Yeah, just wait now. You just wait now. I think she's too tall.
I could have said one more thing, but not on radio.
Come on, it's
No,
okay.
no, no.
Shah Rukh is not listening right now. No, Shah Rukh, are you listening?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I still care and all, so I don't want to get into trouble, so I won't say it.
All right, your accent is really talked about. So, did you have a proper trainer? Okay. Deepika, by the way, for all our listeners, is blowing a kiss towards Shah
No,
Rukh
I've
Khan.
taken it personally. And next time I meet her, I take my nose out and come. I'm not talking to you.
Oh.
You played Rahul, by the way, in the film, right?
Yeah, with the big nose.
With the big nose. I've forgotten the question now. You remember the last time you played Rahul?
Yesterday?
No, I don't remember. I think Kuch Kuch Hota was Rahul. I saw some compilation by someone. So some of the films I said, I think I was Rahul in that. And
Kabhi Khushi. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum was the
Kabhi
last
Khushi.
film.
Yeah,
where you
okay,
played
Kabhi
Rahul.
Khushi
Yeah,
Gum, okay,
yeah.
okay.
Alright, there are a lot of people, by the way, waiting at the Arabian Center, and they're all waiting to break the fast with you. So all the listeners of City 1016 are listening to you right now. Any message to them listening to you? And of course, good 2-3 reasons why they should go and watch Chennai Express. We'll start with you, Deepika.
I'm just happy that I'm back in Dubai again to meet everybody.
Right.
And well, fortunately or unfortunately, this is the only way. But I'm glad that it gives me the opportunity to meet all my fans and everyone who loves me so much. And I feel a lot of love and I feel at home.
Superb. Shah Rukh?
Well, it's always nice to be in Dubai. One like Deepika said, it's always feeling at home at least. And everyone here, everyone from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, all the diaspora, and from the subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and to everyone. I mean, too much love. Thank you so much for being so kind and making us the stars that we are. And I think you should watch Chennai Express like a family film. It's for everyone. So you can take the kids with you, you can take the grannies with you, and the grandparents and everyone, and have a Saaf Suthra, good evening, hopefully. And we made it with a lot of love. And it has everything that a Hindi film should come in festivities. So hopefully it will be, anyway I hope, it's going to be the greatest Eid for everyone. And if we can add to it by a couple of hours of entertainment with Chennai Express, we'll only be too happy and thankful. So Eid Mubarak to all the listeners of City 1016 and Ramadan Kareem. And God bless you, and Hamesha Allah Miyan aapke liye अच्छा करे.